Okay, boys and girls, so you just heard the story, Miss Mingo and the Fire Drill. So once again, just like yesterday, I don't want you to have anything out right now. Just think about the question that I'm asking you, okay? So yesterday, I had you answer a question that was directly related to the book. Today, I'm asking you a question about something that you already know about that goes with the topic of the book. So it's a little different. So my question to you is, what is a good rule for a fire drill? Now, you might be able to think back to the story and get something out of the story that makes a good rule for a fire drill. You may also be able to draw on your own experience. Maybe it wasn't mentioned in the book, but it's something you know that's a good rule for a fire drill because of experiences you've had with fire drills, right? So you may write about either one. Now, the other thing I want you to answer is, why? Now, we used a magical word yesterday in our response. Do you remember what it was? It helps you to answer the why part. The magical word is this word. Because. All right, so what you can do now is you can pause this video and this question will stay up for you so that you can see it, and the word because will be there as well that you can use in your own writing. And I want you to write to answer this question, okay? Thank you, guys.